Right, what I want to do in this is show you how you actually set everything up in ChatGPT so that it will work for you. For context, my name is David Tainch. I run an AI agency for over 3 years now. I've been working online for over 20 years. I own an agency and I have a lot of experience in this field. What most people do is they arrive at ChatGPT and they will just start writing stuff in here, getting advice. You don't actually want to do that. What you've got to do first of all is you've got to create a knowledge base, and you then have to lock the system to work just for you. So what I've done, there are some PDFs you can download. There's links in the description and you can grab the details in there. And what you basically have to do is you cut and paste this. This is your first prompt. And what you need to do is there are some documents in there that you need to copy those over to you to write these into yours. So do add files, and there's going to be and you just go in there and there's a little zip file that you can go and pick up. Just go and download these. And what this is going to do is this is going to personalize ChatGPT to work for you and only you, right? So it's going to read the documents and then it will lock the system. And this is basically, it's creating a knowledge base. So imagine that you had someone start work for you. You would have to teach them all about your products. You would teach them all about your brand positioning, your store profile. And this is, I've done this as though it's a protein company called Acme Protein. So now all of that is locked. It knows all about the products that we've served, that we sell, everything. So now let's go in, right? And we're going to get it to build a persona. And what this will do, this is the next prompt. And this is going to build 3 high value personas for you. Right, so these are personas, and I've told it in, so let's have a look at what it's going to do. It's going to create a name for it, age range, lifestyle description, primary fitness goal, pain points, purchase motivation, buying objections. So it's going to analyze the objections. There you go. And we've got all 3 of them. So let's say now we wanted to create some adverts on there for Facebook or something like this. This is a template that I've put in here, right? It's not just going to create adverts for Facebook. It's going to do them according to a template that I've created. We just scroll up and it's going to follow. This is the best template that I've found for Facebook ads. Do you want this result in time without this objection? Imagine how you'll feel in time when you have this result. Imagine continuing to live with the pain. Introduce product as a solution. Add clear call to actions. Rules. Okay, so you have to put the persona in there, that your name that you're going to do. So let's do the strength-driven performer. And then what it will do is it will create the advert perfectly for the strength-driven performer, which was one of the personas that it just created. And then there's rules with regard to the persona, the adverts. So do you want faster muscle recovery and stronger muscle gains in your next training cycle without inconsistent supplement results? And there is your advert. But you can do a lot more than this. This is just the basics of what you can do with ChatGPT when you actually know how to create the prompts and how to build it all out. But as I said, all of this is in the description, in the content. So like you can just go through and there are some links in there. There are also links to other courses that I've got in there. So if you want to learn how to create product detail pages, emails, etc., and these will all be very high converting and set for your product, then just check in there. If not, could you give my channel a follow? That would be great. Thank you very much.